Hi, friend! Today I'm learning how to walk in the hallway. Hallways help me move from one place to another. I can do it step by step. Step 1. I get ready. I take a calm breath in and out. I zip my lips like a quiet zipper. I put my hands by my sides or in a safe pocket. Step 2. I find my spot in line. I stand behind the person in front of me, leaving a little bubble space. My toes point the same way the line is going. Step 3. I use hallway feet. Hallway feet walk slow and steady. My heels kiss the floor softly. No running, no jumping, just smooth steps. Step 4. I use hallway eyes and hallway ears. My eyes look forward, not at the walls. My ears listen for my teacher's voice and school sounds. Step 5. I stay on my side. I walk on the right side of the hallway. I follow arrows and lines on the floor if I see them. Step 6. I stop, look, and listen. If we reach a corner, a door, or a crossing, I pause. I look both ways. I wait for the adult to say go. Step 7. I use tools that help me. Maybe I hold a fidget in one hand. Maybe I put one finger on the wall line without pushing. Maybe I count my steps. 1, 2, 3, 1. Step 8. I handle big feelings. If it's too loud, I can use my headphones. I can take a belly breath or ask for a tiny break. Step 9. I celebrate. When I reach my destination, I smile. I did hallway walking. Sometimes I forget, and that's okay. I can try again with my calm body, quiet lips, and hallway feet. I am safe, I am kind, and I know the way. Let's walk together, step by step.